Do you feel like ukuthi, if you're more vulnerable with your work, you get more reception from people? Because I do feel like something about because you feel like a graphic design was a bit shallow, not shallow, but a bit surface level, because obviously you want to connect deeper with the product.
Yeah.
So do you feel like if you do it in a more vulnerable state, you get to express yourself and you get to be received more?
Not if yeah, yes and no. I think yes in the sense ukuthi when I felt ukuthi mangabe ngikhuluma or whenever I do my work, that's just my work. People understand and they relate to their lives through this work. It doesn't necessarily have to be me. But I feel like most creatives have to be vulnerable. You know what I mean? You have to. Like that's unfortunately that's the part of the game.
Yeah.
You know,
You have to lay it all
You
out
know?
there
That's
on the
the part of
table.
the game. Ukuthi siyayinikela. That's why it's called an offering. We're offering ourselves to the society for us, for them to be better. You know, for everyone. You know.